Okay, hello again. So this is Mixology Lesson 5. Let me turn down the volume a little bit on that. You can start thinking about what the drink might be called if you recognize that song. So today, what I'm making is it's an old fashioned, but it's not a normal old fashioned. It's called a Ritz Old Fashioned. Putting on the Ritz. Okay, so you start out like a regular old fashioned. Put your sugar cube in your glass and put the bitters on top of the sugar cube, and we'll mash that up and put the drinks in it when it's done. So this drink is a old fashioned, so it has bourbon. This one also has some Marnier. It has lemon juice, and it has bitters, which you already put in, and it has Maraschino liqueur. But instead of using the bottle of Luxardo, I'm actually using Maraschino liqueur that has had cherries soaking in it for a year. So it's going to add some color and a little bit of cherry flavor. So you can buy yourself a bottle of Luxardo and put some cherries in it when you get cherries from the grocery store in the next 2 months. And you can start making your own maraschino cherries. All right, so since I have the lemon in the measuring cup, I'm going to put that in the mixer first. And the ratios are 6 parts bourbon.
Let's mix where Rockefellers walk with sticks or umbrellas in their midst.
I'm going to do a little bit more bourbon because I'm going to make a couple drinks. So that's the bourbon. And the Marnier is 2 parts Marnier. So that's going to be about that. 1 part maraschino liqueur. Okay. And the lemon we already did. So that's it. I'm going to shake it up. Make sure I don't shake it over the computer. Alright, now I've got the glasses, and sugar cubes are still a little hard, but whack them a few times and that's good. This drink calls for a maraschino cherry, which I'll take out of my own maraschino cherries here. Put a little ice in the glass. I'm going to fill it about halfway full because this drink, like a regular old fashioned, calls for a little club soda. And that's it. Ritz Old Fashioned. Enjoy, stay safe, drink liberally, and remember, alcohol kills the virus, so have plenty of it.